What's up, guys?
Yo, what up, YouTube? People off Lexus here. About the bus box Paninis for the early birthday present. My birthday's tomorrow, by the way. So yeah, get the busting.
So guys, EC Sports Ride 17. Just watching Connor bust his box. Also known as People 7. Link in the description box. And here we go.
Hopefully pull a nice Jennings. So yeah, here we go. Well, this is hobby this time, not retail. Miami Heat sticker. Taj Gibson rookie. B-Wade insert. Probably get the base set out of this. A lot of packs. Probably do 2 to 4 parts. I'm not sure yet. But yeah. Depending on how long this part takes. Brandon was like sticker. David Lee insert and Taylor Griffin rookie. And base.
By the way, YouTube, this is EC Sports Ride 17. Link in the description box. Check me out.
Derek sticker, Henderson rookie, Powell insert. And base. I'm gonna do 2 more parts in this video just so I can get everything situated out. So yeah.
Well, I didn't know there was 36 packs.
Craig Smith, that's not a rookie or anything. Austin Day, Sun sticker, and Billups insert. And more base. I'm getting a lot of doubles already. And last pack of this vid, just so I can get everything situated out. Hopefully put an auto later on, so yeah.
If you're watching this now, there's just skip through it. We'll let you know in the description box, and we didn't put an auto. Just skip the video.
Carmelo insert, Jody Meeks, Lucky, and Bernard King insert. See ya, guys. Thanks for watching. Part 2 coming up. Peace.
Alright, peace. I'll see you for part 2.